Hello there, boys and girls. Today we are going to talk about water transportation. Are you ready? Let's go.
Kids, we're ready. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So we're talking about water transportation today and the different kinds of water transportation. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So water transportation, it carries people and goods from one place or one country to the other by traveling on water. So we are going to look at the different types of water transportation. Row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Boys and girls, how are you doing? Today we are going to talk about water transportation. Now there are many different kinds of water transportation, and here we have the boat. We have a ship. Now we're going to look at the different types that we have that people can take from one place to another. Oh yes, here we have a motorboat. Oh yes, and it's sailing on the sea. Also we have a canoe. Have you ever seen a canoe before? Yes, so you can move from one place to another by traveling on water. Here we have a sailboat sailing across the river. And here we have a jet ski. And it can take you from one place to another on the water. Sailing across the sea. And here we have a submarine, and it travels under the water, and it can take you from one place to another. Here we have a big cruiser. Yes, and it's sailing on the sea. Look at the little boat there. So these are different types of water transportation.